Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install FreeScout on your Ubuntu server. By the end of this video it will be fully installed and active.
MivoCloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command.
The first step is to install the LEMP stack. Use the following command. Now let's configure PHP. Open the following configuration file and make necessary changes. After that, restart PHP. By the way, you can use the promo code shown on the screen and in the description to get a 20% discount for free mouse on all virtual services on our website. Next, we need to set up database. Use these commands to create a new database, a dedicated user and flash the privileges. Now create a working directory for the website and navigate into it. Then, we will download the official FreeScout source code directly from GitHub. Let's move on to configuring the web server. Delete the default configuration file and create a new one. Use the following command. Plus the following configuration. Don't forget to replace server name with your actual domain name or server IP address. After this, restart Nginx to apply the changes. To prevent any future issue, we are going to fix a command trust error right from the start, which is something I personally ran into during my installation. Navigate to the website root directory and open the end file. Make the following changes if you use your server IP. The next command restores the ownership of the end file back to the web server. Once that's done, clear the internal configuration cache. And now switch over to your web browser and finish the rest of the installation using the setup wizard. That's it for the installation. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button so more people can find this guide. All the comments I used are in the pinned comment below. If you run into any errors or have a suggestion for the next tutorial, drop a comment and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching MivoCloud.